Welcome to week 3, where we're going to talk about percent change. That's when something's going to increase or decrease, kind of like discount or when you add tax to something. So when you have a discount, your price decreases. When you add tax to something, your price increases. Okay. So another way of saying this is finding the percent of the change. Okay. Did it change up or did it change down? Okay. And here's a formula that's used to find that. Okay. Instead of using that formula, I'm going to show you how to do this with the box method or picture method. Okay, so we're always going to think about what we originally started with, the original price, the original piece of information, the original number that we had. Okay, if you notice, that original piece stays in our picture, whether it's an increase or a decrease. But when it's a decrease, we're getting smaller. We're getting rid of that top part where the dotted line is. When it's an increase, we're getting bigger. We're adding on to the box with that top part where there's a dotted line. Okay, so let's start. We have a price decrease from $25 to $10. Find the percent decrease. Okay, so something's $25 and it went to $10. What we're really talking about here is a discount. And we're looking for that percent discount. Okay, so the original money was 25. Okay, and in our original box, this is always going to be 100%. We're always starting off with 100%. Okay. In the price decrease, our new money is now $10. Okay. We're trying to find the percent that it decreased. So this is a little confusing. Are we trying to find what percent 10 is of 25? Or are we trying to find out what that discount was and what the percent is? Okay. Well, when we talk about a discount, I don't talk about what I'm actually paying. I don't say the discount was $10. That's what I actually paid. The discount is what I'm not paying. Okay. So we know we started with 25. We end up paying 10. Okay. What are we taking off the price? We're taking off the price 15. That's that missing piece there. Okay. And that's the percent that we're trying to find. We're trying to find that percent of the discount. Now we can make a proportion. We're going to put the money over a percent equals the money over a percent. Okay. So I have 25 over 100 equals 15 over X. Okay. 25 over 100 equals 15 over X. The money over the percent, the money over the percent. Okay. So now I'm just going to solve that proportion. And if you remember from a few videos ago, to solve a proportion, we do something called cross multiply. So it's going to be 25 times X equals 15 times 100 and then you're going to divide, and for X you're going to get 60%. Okay, so the percent decrease was 60%. Let's try another one. Okay. A price increased from $35 to $50. Find the percent increase. Okay, so we're going to start with our original number again, which is 35. Okay, and that original number is always going to be our 100%. Okay, the price increased from 35 to 50. Okay, so this whole thing is 50. This little part is still 35. So to find the missing part there, I know it's going to be 50 minus 35, which is 15. Okay. Okay. And again, this 35 still represents 100%. Our price increased, so it makes sense that this is all going to be above 100%. And I don't know what that percentage is right there. Okay. Now I can make my proportion again. 35 is the number over the percent. Okay. I'm looking for this part right here. So that's why I'm going to put 15 over X. I have a proportion. I'm going to cross multiply again. So I get that 35X equals 1,500. And X is going to be equal to 43%. Okay, let's try the next one. A price plus 6% tax is equal to $4.24. Find the original price. Okay, this one's a little different. Okay? So this time they don't give us the original price. So that's where our X is going. But that original price is still 100%. Okay. So now I know that this whole thing is $4.24. Okay. I know that this part is 6% and this part is 100%. So altogether, this is 106%. Okay, so we have money percent, money percent. So X over 100 equals $4.24 over 106. I'm going to cross multiply. Okay, and when you solve that, you get that X is equal to 4. Okay, so the original price was $4. A price minus a 20% discount is $12.79. Find the original price. So again, I don't know the original price. I know that it's 100%. I know that this discounted part was 20% and this is 100%. Sorry, this is a discount. It's not 20%. It has to add up to 100. It's actually 80%. Okay? I know that the discounted price is $12.79. Okay? So again, I have money percent, money percent. X over 100 equals $12.79 over 80%. Again, how did I get that 80? Because these boxes are the same size as the original. This didn't get bigger, it's getting smaller. These two have to add up to 100% to total the original. Okay, so again, I got X over 100 equals $12.79 over 80. When you cross multiply and solve, you do 12 $12.79 times 100 divided by 80, and you get 15.98.75. 15.9875. Do we talk about money like that? Do we talk about money being 98? No. We'd round this to 15.99. Okay, so this was our original price. Okay, last example. What number increased by 30% equals 260? Okay, so I'm looking for a number that's increased by 30%. I'm going to start again with what I know. Okay, I know that I'm trying to find the original number. I know the original number is worth 100%. This box and this original box and the original box in the new part are both 100%. Okay. I also know that the number was increased by 30%. So I can put in the 30%. Okay. So this new number is 130% of the original. Okay. The new number is 260. So what I've got is a number, a percent, a number, and a percent. So x over 100 equals 260 over 130. Okay. Always put the percents on the bottom so you just don't get confused. Okay. When we solve this, we're going to do 260 times 100. And then we're going to divide that number by 130. And you get that x is equal to 200. So your original number is 200. When it's increased by 30%, it's 260. But this is the number we were finding. Okay, go ahead and try your practice problems. And I will see you in class on Wednesday.